Hey guys, welcome back to She Is Marvels. Today's beautiful makeup tutorial is inspired by one of my all-time favorite candies, Lemon Head. Ironically, I also came across this BELANKO cosmetic bag, which is handheld and waterproof, and I felt like it was a match made in heaven. Now, how many of your cosmetic bags could do that? This bag fits superb in your suitcase and is also really comfortable inside of my favorite handbag. What's not to love? I also double it as my lunchbox. But that's our little secret, so shh, keep that on the hush. Let's get to it. I moisturize my winter skin with NYXcosmetics Anti-Aging Oil Restore. To hide my sleepless night, I conceal my dark circles with LA Pro Concealer. To hide my unfortunate blemishes, I use Becca 24 Hours Liquid Foundation. It's a 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade Tan. Next, I grabbed the famous Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Powder Kit. I use one of the darker shades to brush against my cheekbones and jawline, also my big forehead. Shout out to the girls with the big forehead. Don't ever be ashamed of it. I also use it for the side of my nose, and then I go next to the banana color. Banana color goes in between the two dark lines, and it looks like an ice cream sandwich, but now I'm making myself hungry. Let me run to the store. I'll be back. Or I could just do that right after this video. Now we're going to get the lightest color in the palette and just go over the LA Pro Concealer to blend it in. The next step is brows, brows, brows. I grab my LA Pro Concealer and I go over the lines of my eyebrows, and I grab my Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes Artistry palette. Unfortunately, the darkest color is all out, so I'm using the next one, which is named Tantalizing. After I'm done filling in my eyebrows, which most people will grab a spoolie, but I'm all out of my spoolie, so I grab an old end of a mascara and I comb over. The last step to create the base for this lemon head tutorial is blending everything in. After the blending is all done, the next step is honestly a little bit tricky. I'm going to grab my Vivid Bright NYX Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade of yellow, but it's also known as Vivid Halo. I create a small almond-shaped outline on the side of my cheek. Then I plop 2 dots on the end of the almond shape. I didn't want all my lemons to look the same, so I created 2 almond shape, and then I created 2 more of a puffy circle. After my outlines are created, I take the same eyeliner and I fill it in. I kind of did a freestyle of my lemons. I took a black line on 2 of the lemons and I created a half crescent. After that, I take the NYX white eyeliner and I fill it in. Filling is all done. I add black lines to create little lemon wedges. Silly old me forgot to get the green eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics, so I make my own green with using Sephora eyeshadow palette. And I create a little leaf on top of my lemon. How cute is that? Now that the tricky part is all done, I promise the next step will be much easier. We are going to create lemon lips. I moisturize my lips with the same oil and I get going with my yellow eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics. You want to keep going and going and going until you see no cracks on your lips. Now, I know you see the difference. Got it all in, baby. We're going to grab back that white eyeliner and we're going to trace over the lips, but we don't want to go all the way to the end. We kind of want to leave some space. The outline is done. We're going to draw little lines all across the lips. After the lines are created, we're going to go in between the lines and do little dots. Go on a happy spree. Make it more feather-like. Dot, 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 dot. The last dot, fill in the white in between your lips. Girl, I told you that was easy. Now is the final step. And it's basically outlining your eyes with the yellow and white eyelids. And the most easiest step of it all. So go ahead, go to town. Create that wing look. Now that your wing look is achieved, you could grab your favorite fake eyelashes, or if you don't have any, just go over your natural lashes with your favorite mascara. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to buy the bag, get it at the description box. Until next time, bye chica. Mwah.